highly recommend you do if you're planning on pumping while driving is to put your pumpies on before you actually get out to your car. Once you're in your car, you don't have a ton of room to maneuver around. Now, if needed, you can certainly do it in a pinch. I know I have on my way between work and school. But you just lace up your pumpies, get the hook and eye closures done, pop it on over the top of your nursing bra, and what I do to make it easier once I get out in the car is I lower my nursing panels while I'm still inside. I leave my nursing pads in place so that just in case I have a little letdown before I get out there, no worries, they're going to catch everything. But I'll be able to just throw my horns in once I get out to the car and move my nursing pads out of place, and boom, I'm ready to go. So you can see, got everything ready. I can put my shirt on top of this, and I'll meet you guys outside.